Right then, back down on the beach, and as you can see, the Deeper Bleep was in the background.
Hi guys.
We're both out on the D2s. That is our view, or that is our ground. Tide is coming in, but as you can see up in the sky, there is a storm heading our way. Whether it actually happens or not is a different matter, but it is forecast.
If it does, you will see us abandon
this
beach pretty damn lively.
But as normal, see you at the first. 86, 87. I'm not holding up any hope, but the right numbers. Oh, look at that. Straight in there. Off and running. Off and running with a pound. Squeaky 63, 64. Sometimes they're also ring pulls. What is that? A bit of foil. Yeah, just a bit of foil. $69.70. Hopefully, 50p or something. Oh, got another one there. Yep, 50p. 2001. I'd say someone's been sitting here. That's in the scoop. It's starting to rain. Yes. Off and running, good and proper. And there's another one here as well. I might as well leave that out, because it's another 8. Oh no, it's a 9090. Eh? 1991, so it could be a 5p or something. Yeah, 1991. It's in the scoop. Oh, another bloody pound. Oh dear, the numbers of these pounds are all over the place today. See if we've got any more. I just had a coin spill. Sounds crap, but 50. It's a 50, but it does sound crap. And that's why. Bit of a can. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, bit of a can. 79.80. That is out. Right, it's in the scoop. Oh dear. Well, as you can probably tell, end of a light bulb. Well, I'll just show it. Yeah, 91 to 94. Sounds like shit now. A bloody vape.
I didn't miss it, I left it.
Oh dear. Do you not want a ball?
To be fair, Mark, surface, you've only got to scrape that with your foot.
Yeah.
I think.
It's an 80. Not moving.
It's a proper surface to me.
Yeah. What is that? Oh no, it's here. Bloody can lid.
I'll let you keep that one.
Yeah, cheers for that. Yeah, 73. Could be a 20p. It's in the scoop. And it is. Yeah, 20p.
20p.
Yeah. Fine.
Pound coin written all over it.
Got to be in it.
It's got to be a pound, that's tight.
88, 89. Crackly, but
I think you just missed it, didn't you? No, he's out.
in the scoop.
She sounds nuggety.
Certainly is.
And she's nuggety, isn't she?
Certainly is.
Nice.
Nice nugget.
I'll leave that one there for you.
Yep, another one.
Damn it. Because you ain't got the filming, are you?
Yeah, sorry. 69.70. Could be a 50p. Or it could be a paintbrush.
What, Dulux or Harry's? It's an Harry's.
Well, that's a first. A paintbrush off the beach. I don't think I've had one before. I don't think it's going to be much. It's just 84. Sounds good, but I don't think it is. Fishing weight. Well, we are at the beach after all. 00, so could be a rusty coin, but it could also be a nail, could be anything really, to be fair. Definitely a bit of rust there. In the scoop, apparently. And it's a bit pistol shot. Yeah, pistol shot. -6, or 6 I should say, not -6, sorry about that. What's that? £2. Let's see if there's any others. 95. That's another one. So it just goes to show with different cores, different numbers, clearly. Not bad so far today. Couple of hours. 56. Finish on a 5p, shall we? There's another 5p. Not too bad today. I'm not recording. Don't know why I wasn't recording. Finished on a 5p. Not bad at all.